What is up, my spooky babes and ghouls? So today we're gonna be filming a corpse look. I'm actually inspired by like an old corpse look I did like many years ago. I think like back in 2018, 2017. I'll put the picture up here, and I made myself look dead. You know, I had the contacts in, I did my eyes, everything. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Basically, that's what we're doing today. I'm not sure if we're doing the same thing with the lip, but for sure the eyes. Just like easy, basic red eyeshadow. You're just placing it in different areas to make yourself appear dead. Of course, we're gonna be doing really heavy contour as well, so to get that sunken in look, like a corpse. Also, I might be doing some contouring down here as well, just to make my skin look more sunken in over here as well. I kind of did that technique with my Dead Bride makeup tutorial, not the Corpse Bride, but the Dead Bride. I wanted to make myself look more deadly, more dead, more corpse-like. So first, I'm starting off with the face makeup. I've been doing this combination for the past couple videos, and they do make my foundations and powders and stuff like that, but I just don't have any on hand right now, and I just don't feel like waiting. I don't feel like ordering and then waiting for it to come, so this is what I'm going to be using. So we're going to be using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Fair White, or Fair Warm, my bad. And we're using the Baby Back Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Purity. This one's a pure white liquid lipstick, but I do mix it in the contour just to create like a white foundation. It's probably not best to be wearing like for like everyday wear, but it's good for like looks like this, you know. I'm not sure how like liquid lipstick is on the face, like a full face, you know. But that's why I'm mixing it in with Camo Concealer, because this is like so yeah, so I'll be applying this. I'll be probably mixing it on my hand and then applying it directly with a beauty blender. I also do have a discount code with Baby Back Beauty, and I believe my discount code is Denise_Draven, and you get, I think, 15% off with your purchase. I have like all the details down below in the description box, but I have like a link to their website and discount code as well. And I think it's a pretty good deal. Like, I use it sometimes too, and whenever I order from them, and I love their liquid lipsticks, you guys. They just go on beautifully. They smell amazing. They smell like cake batter, you guys. Oh my gosh. And they have a bunch of beautiful like eyeshadows, eyeshadow palettes, a bunch of like different other like makeup and beauty products as well. So definitely go check them out. Okay, so next I'm applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Translucent Loose Powder all over my face, and also my neck and my chest area as well, just to set the foundation that I just applied. Okay, so next I'm diving into the Lunatic Cosmetics Contour Palette, and I'm diving into the cool shades of the palette. I'm going to contour my face to give my cheekbones a more sunken in look. I also want to contour my jawline as well, and I'm going to start contouring like these little bits right here, like where they're kind of sunken in, and I'm also going to contour on my collarbone as well. Probably add some more contours as well right here, and the little crevices right here that I can feel, just to make my my whole like just to make me look more sunken in like a corpse. Okay, so next I'm going to be contouring my nose just to make it a little bit more sharper looking. Of course I'm using the same palette as well, and I might just dive in just a little bit into this shade. I don't want it to be too dark, and this shade's a little bit harsh, especially for like on the nose area, so. But I'm going to basically try to just slim it down, and then I'm going to add the yellow shadow just to, in the middle, just to make it pop a little bit more. I would use white, but I'm completely out of the white, so oh well. Okay, so next I'm diving into the KVD Satan Sinner eyeshadow palette. This one, I believe I used these reds in my original look. Whoa. Dodo. Kiki. Go away. I'm busy on Total. Alright guys, my cats are... I have a cat on my lap and there's another cat that wants to be near me, and the other one on my lap is getting angry, so that's why. But I'm basically going to be using the shade Stigmata, which is a really shimmery red. I love it. But it's exactly what I used for the original look, so I'm going to use the same eyeshadow as I did before. So yeah, so I'm basically going to be applying eyeshadow in places where I want it to be, to look more sunken in. And also, obviously, like a lot underneath the eye as well, to make my eye sockets more sunken in as well. Also, I forgot to mention, but I'm also going to be adding in the shade Rosary as well. It's a bit of like a deeper red than Stigmata, so I'm using that one to like darken up the areas even more. I think in my original picture it looks like I used more of Rosary than Stigmata, because Stigmata is more of a warmer red, so I might have messed up already, but whatever, it's fine. But I'm pretty sure I used both shades. Okay guys, so I think I want to darken it just a little bit more and also to make it look more like bruising and stuff. I'm gonna be adding the shade Worship, which is a shimmery purple in this palette, and I think it'll look cool this look. Of course I'm steering a little bit away from my original look, but you know what, it's okay, you know, it's okay to make changes. I'm gonna be adding the shade kind of like over here just to darken it, and on the outer corner of my eye over here. Maybe a little bit underneath my eyes as well, but I'll think about that. Okay guys, so for my lips, I think I'm going to do it differently than my original course. I'm going to be applying some concealer on the edges of my lips and blending it in. This just gives it the effect of like shrunken in lips, dried up lips, because when you're corpse, your lips tend to sink in, so yeah. I'm not looking for 100% accuracy, but I'm taking inspiration. I think I'm going to dab some eyeshadows in the center of the lip just to darken the center a little bit more, to make them appear more sunken in. And I am applying the shades Rosary and probably a little bit of Worship on the lips. I mean, kind of blending it with my finger. Okay, so next I'm doing my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Powder in the shade Granite, and I'm doing my brows, making them look kind of sharp, a little arched as well. I was kind of thinking of covering them in concealer just to make you can kind of see if I get this when I was trying testing it out, and I don't know, I felt like I just need brows for this look. I'm adding a little bit of eyeliner onto my waterline on the outer edges right here. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dark Side Liner. Of course, you can use whatever black eyeliner you have on hand. Okay, so next I'm adding some creepy crawlies onto my face. This one is either a millipede or centipede, I'm not sure. Can't remember the difference between the two. And a fly. It's kind of big for a fly, but usually like the flies that surround dead bodies are kind of huge, so there we go. But these, I got these from the 99 store. Of course, you can probably find them, like bugs like this like at any dollar stores, but I did show these in my past 2 Halloween hauls, like the first 2, so yeah, here they are. And I'm basically gluing them onto my face. I'm hoping it doesn't ruin the look. I think it looks cool though. I have another fly just in case I want another fly. I haven't decided to place my other fly yet, but for sure the millipede's gonna go right here. I'm using some lash glue to glue it on. Of course, if you have liquid latex on hand, that would be that would work really well as well. Or spirit gum. I'm just using some lash glue because that you know, this isn't that heavy and it'll hold it up anyway. So yeah. Okay, so I added mascara off camera. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara, and I'm gonna go and put my contacts in and throw in my other accessories and stuff, and I'll be back to you guys. Alrighty you guys, so here is the finished look, and I am super happy with how it came out. I look creepy as hell, you guys, and deadly. Oh my goodness. This toe tag earring, it's actually from Life After Death. I'll make sure to tag their Instagram and Twitter on the screen, and also I'll have a link down to our website and their Twitter and Instagram down below in the description box. That way y'all guys can go check them out because they have some really cool earrings, guys. I'm not sure if they have any more of these available, but I have the other one right here. I just felt like the one just looked better with this look. It just kind of, like, you know, it looks more proportionate. It can have like this huge bug on the side, and I think you know, it weighs it out. But I had another pair right here. They're really cute. They're actually toe tags that, like, you know, that a mortician would use. It has name of deceased, age, all the info here, place of death, cause of death, funeral director, all this stuff on there. So it's basically a toe tag that they put on your body when you die. So yeah, interesting, very morbid, but I love them so much. A little bit gross with the creepy crawlies, but you know, it goes with this look. I already have a bunch of creepy crawlies in my face, so I love it. I also did purchase another pair of earrings from her that were also huge as well. They're like big pumpkin earrings, like this big. They're really lightweight though, and they're super adorable, you guys. I can't wait to show them to you guys in another video, but I just wanted to show these in this video. I've been like actually eyeballing these earrings ever since she made them, so I finally bought them, and I was like, hey, it would go perfect with my corpse look, so I kind of waited for them to come in the mail so that way I can do this look. And it feels complete with the toe tag. Imagine they put toe tags, like instead of like them being toe tags or like ear tags like this. Oh my goodness. I was kind of thinking of filling it out with like my name and then making up like a death or something, but I don't know. I kind of like them just plain, but it'd be kind of fun to fill it out too. I don't know. I haven't decided yet what I want to do with it. I obviously did get inspiration from my own look a few years ago. And of course I twisted it, you know, added some new stuff to it, obviously the bugs too. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it came out, you guys. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you guys will be notified whenever I do post videos here on YouTube. Especially during the month of October, you do not want to miss it, you guys. I have a bunch of cool and fun makeup tutorials coming to you guys this October, so I am super excited. This month is my time, my spooky month. Also make sure you check out my Depop. I have a bunch of really cool clothing, ranging from band t-shirts to gothic pieces, that range from sizes extra small to large. Those are all from my personal closet, so you guys can go have a look and shop around. I'll have my Depop link down below in the description box. So yeah, so that'll be it for today's video. So I hope you guys have a safe, wonderful, and spooky day. Bye guys!